open up our Stitch blind bags. Nisha. Okay, I just got done with golf, so don't look at my hair. But here's mine, the one that I picked out. And I hope I get the construction worker stitch or the BMX rider stitch.
Okay, I want the scrump. And I probably don't want Peekly, but he's so cute.
Here. Okay. This is the one. I hope I get Stitch in Hovercraft or Stitch with Sippy Cup. I don't want the Stitch with Tiki.
One is Moliana, and I want this one with the glasses, and I don't want this one. Well, actually, I wouldn't care, but I want this one with the glasses. All gonna open ours. Yours doesn't have cherries? Nope. Wait, hold on. Let me get the scissors and cut all of ours. Okay. Wait, why does it look good? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
This is the one that I got. And I probably don't want Peekly, but he's so cute.
Wait, I like that one.
Slay.
I got Stitch with surfboard.
That's just plastic. Slay, look at it. How cute.
I got the baker.
I got the scientist.
Holding it a cake. The baker. I got the scientist Stitch. He slays. Not Carmen getting the one she didn't want.